Good morning, everybody. This is K. Balakrishna. Presently, we are dealing with the subject marketing management. In this subject, we will be discussing about the topic called as marketing research. What do you mean by marketing research? We'll be studying in this chapter along with its process. In this chapter, we'll study about what do you mean by marketing research and what do you mean by marketing research process. What do you mean by researching? Researching is the process of finding out factual information regarding a particular activity, regarding a product, regarding a service, and other things. This marketing research helps us to understand the customers, to understand the demand conditions, to understand the competition, to understand the competitors, to understand the determinants, and to understand the success factors as well. Here we can say that because of marketing research, the product becomes successful completely. What do you mean by marketing research? Marketing research is a process of evaluating the feasibility of product. It is checking whether the existing product is successful or not. It is checking whether the existing product has failed or not. Next, this method also helps the organization to discover the target audience, to discover the needs of the target audience, to discover the wants of the target audience. What are the characteristics of good marketing research? Because it is a systematic step-by-step process, it is convenient way of handling the information, processing the information, evaluating and analyzing the information. Next, it also a framework for producing logical reasoning. Means it uses various methods to analyze the reasons for the failure of the product or to analyze the reasons for the failure, lack of demand, and many other things. It is a complete data analytic approach. Means here a huge amount of data which is raw in form from the customers is being taken and it is carefully examined, analyzed, investigated, and monitored. Next, it is a research opportunity. Means it is an opportunity for the researcher to conduct an analysis why the product is successful, how the product is successful, and what are the other things. It is analytical in nature. It is a cause-effect relationship is being used. Why the product has failed and what are the causes and reasons for the failure can be understood easily. Next, accuracy. Here the data processing is perfect, then the accuracy of the information through marketing research can also be perfect without any flaws. A research process is a investigative approach of collecting, analyzing, evaluating the information from various sources and processing it in such a way that results and findings are out. What are the steps in research process? First and the foremost step is selection of research problem. Selection of research problem. What is a research problem? The situation that demands the research, or we can say that the reason for conducting a research can be expressed in terms of a research title. The research title can be sometimes taken as a research problem. It helps to understand thoroughly the problem, carefully investigate the problem, and find out technical reasons for coming out of the problem. Here, so one thing is important in the research, that is the research topic must be carefully analyzed. Next one is various literature need to be reviewed and studied. Here there are large number of books available, large number of magazines available, large number of journals available, large number of conferences available, and government reports are also being available, and the libraries are available through online mode also. So as to investigate a particular aspect at all levels, at all corners, at all aspects, and bring out with everlasting results. Next one is making hypothesis. Initially, working on hypothesis is a critical step. First, they have to see whether first they have to frame the hypothesis. Next, they have to analyze the cause and effect of hypothesis, and they have to bring about the research problem into a narrow approach. Next one is how do they prepare the research design? Here they structure the problem in such a way that there is an amicable solution which is derived by the information that is searched. It takes time, it takes money, it takes about information processing. It's a sampling. Sampling can be of many forms. One being the probability of sampling, and second one will be the non-probability sampling. Based upon the sampling, only the success of research or the failure of the research can be done. There are two sources of data collection, one being the primary data collection and second being the secondary data collection. Primary data collection will be through experiments, through questionnaires, observation and interviews. And secondary data collection is through studying the books, the journals, magazines, periodicals, and many other things. Data analysis. All the data that is available, initial stages is raw data. It needs to be processed. It needs to be edited, it needs to be coded, it needs to be classified, it needs to be tabularized, it needs to be presented, and it needs to be measured. After all this is done, what happens is the exploration of data is done. That is, what do? They give a valid explanation for the data. They also narrate the consequences of the data. They find the conclusion and findings of the data. They give suggestions for and recommendations based upon the data that is collected. Next one is generalization and interpretation. Last step is preparation of the report. Preparation of the report contains carrying of a title. First, initially, title will be given. Its brief introduction of the topic will be given. Background of the topic will be given. Contents will be given. Next, graphs and charts will be picturized. Afterwards, a hypothesis will be formulated. Methodology will be done. There will be a summary, findings, and suggestions are listed based upon the data collected. And at the last, the conclusion will be given. And next part will be the closing of the report. Closing of the report can be through bibliography. Bibliography means the books that are literature that they have studied. References means the people who are referred, the books that are referred. Next, index means enclosures that are made, maps and charts, and various other issues are being taken. Here, what happens is there are many things that are done. First and the foremost thing is, in this class, we have studied about what do you mean by marketing research. We also studied about benefits of marketing research. We also studied regarding the research process. Thank you.